In the 60s, with the civil rights movement, a few architecture figures started to talk about cities for people instead of cities for cars, which is really what was happening then. And we're still building cities for cars, but at least the consciousness around cities for people is starting to be broader. So how do we scale sustainability for everyone? How do we make sustainability viral is what we haven't cracked. I decided to go on a sort of exploratory path to find out what some people had been doing around the concept of local sustainability, hyper-local sustainability, and how that could scale from within a community. And I was quite disappointed, to be honest. There's almost no place in the world that is doing this fully. Whereas I think that architects of the future, or what I call recoders, will actually be involved with the whole element of how to transform a place. First, they need to identify what is relevant to make in that place with the community. Then they need to inquire in terms of what are the things that you can do that are really having a high leverage on what the community aspires to achieve. Then they can develop ideas, scenario planning, design charrettes, and then you can actually co-design what will happen, you can co-construct, you can create really amazing places through participation. But once a project has stopped, how do you keep going? How do you keep having this participation? What you really need is a kind of third space. And the third space is neither public or private. It's a secular environment in which you can boost people's ability to collaborate. And really what's proving to be very important now is that there is a relation or correlation between makerspaces and urban development. I see myself as a recoder, someone who looks at neighborhoods and recodes them. We can recode the genome. I think we can recode the genome of the city. So where all of this is going is the long tail for cities as well. We can always look at the world as being in trouble, but I think we genuinely have greater opportunities right now to affect it very significantly for the rest of the century in the next 10 years.